GoPro Hero 7 specifications and price leak, with 3 variants included: Hero 7 Black top end, Hero 7 Silver mid-range, and the Hero 7 White entry-level camera. The top-end GoPro Hero 7 Black built with 12 megapixel camera and ability to shoot live. The camera can shoot 4K quality with 60 frames in 60 seconds. With GoPro's hyper-smooth digital image stabilization, can shoot in horizontal and vertical positions without camera shaking. At a maximum 4K bitrate of 78 mbps. It can also record in 2.7K at 120 fps, or 1080p and super slow motion at 240 fps. It supports RAW photo capture, and stereo or RAW audio. Also, the Hero 7 Black with an optional adapter can attach a mic to capture good sound. Only Hero 7 Black has facility to remove battery. All the camera lineup have water resistant up to 33 for depth. It features a 2-inch touchscreen, time-lapse, voice control, and a vertical capture mode. But, mid-range Hero 7 Silver captures with 10 megapixel capable of 4K 30, 1440p 60, and 1080p 60 video with GoPro's traditional stabilization, and a maximum 4K bitrate of 30 mbps. Hero 7 White entry-level camera with 10 megapixel camera shoots stabilized 1080p 60 video. The price ranges are not mentioned in any of the sources.